And I shouldn't have bought this car. I really shouldn't have bought this car because I don't need this car. Not that messed up. It's got a lot of clear bra damage.
Not a good idea.
All right, guys, this is a car reveal video that Mario and Luke. See, I'm trying to invite you to the video. You're just trying to.
Usually you don't want us in the video.
I always
a solo thing.
No, I always want you in the video.
Oh, well.
I'm trying to reveal a car right now.
This is Luke, guys.
He has 100 subscribers. I'm trying to hook him up and get him 105. So if anybody wants to subscribe, 5 of you guys, please head over to Luke's channel.
Link in bio.
Anyways, we just got back from the rally, and while I was on the rally, I bought another car. And I shouldn't have bought this car. I really shouldn't have bought this car because I don't need this car. And I was thinking about selling more and more and more and more cars because I don't know if you guys can see around you, there's too many cars here. So as I was on the cruise ship for Royalty Rally number 3, okay? That was fun, right?
Very fun. I'm thrilled. I'm so thrilled that I'm so tired to be back.
Yeah, anyways, so when you guys do a rally, you gotta do a vacation after the rally because the rally's so much work. But while I was on vacation, I came across a STO that was very popular. This is the Dobre brothers STO that was going the wrong way down a drag strip and ended up in the grandstands, basically. It's not that messed up. It's got a lot of clear bra damage. It's got a lot of dirt on it right now. So you can see some little scratches, but like this right here, you know, this is all clear bra. So it's not really that bad, right? We do have half the mirror bolt broke off, that little plate right there. I don't know if you can see that. And underneath here, we've got no damage. If you can see, the red piece right here was damaged on that side. Let's go over there. See, it's not that big of a deal, guys. Like everybody, this is the worst part of the whole thing. Right there, that little piece. So the intention of me buying this car is either A, one of two things. Either I'm gonna fix it and just sell it, right? Which I don't wanna do. Or I'm gonna build this to be a few thousand horsepower car with a gated manual gearbox or like a really cool DCT. I went to SEMA yesterday. I started talking to the guys at Dodson, see if they're gonna make me some gearbox stuff, but we'll see. I mean, that's like real deal stuff. Turn it, push down, and then you pick it up. This is a beautiful engine bay. It's got some dirt in here. We're gonna wash it off. You see these bolts right here? Right here? Yeah. We're gonna take this wing off, okay? Got it. And we're gonna make a wingless STO because it's gonna look super sick. That's gonna be for another video. We're gonna do another video revealing my first mods to the STO. Wing's gonna come off, all the stuff's gonna come down. And I'm gonna paint the red body color. So you've got carbon in the back, carbon in the front. All this red is gonna be body color. So no STO, if you have a black one, has a front, I don't know, lip, I guess it's like lipstick red thing right here. No one's got a body color matched one unless it's just black. So we're gonna have the first body color matched car. It's gonna look really good. It's gonna have the same thing and you're gonna have that full carbon diffuser. That carbon diffuser is on its way. This is literally the only real damage on this car. This is $25,000. And this piece right here is, I think, $5,900. I've already got that piece in stock from my previous STO accident, so that one worked out really well.
I want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, Exothermic Technologies, for this amazing flamethrower. We are gonna go shoot it. If there was ever a time to buy a flamethrower, now is the time. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna click the link in the description, use code ACC20, get yourself a flamethrower for the holidays, burn down your Christmas tree, get a new one. Here's where you start. Turn it on, bam, you flip the switch up.
There's a tiny problem right here. This radiator cracked a little bit, and then this little support frame got pushed back just a tad. And this headlight bracket right here just got disconnected. So we're gonna put this back together. I've got the actual piece for this, and we're gonna get that all squared away. This is actually a really easy fix. You know why? Because I actually have lights. I think 50K is overshot because I've got 25,000 is the cost for the front lip. I already have the other one, but let's call it 57,000, right? So we're at $30,000 there. I'm gonna put this headlight right here on a different car because I've got a brand new right one. And then that radiator right there is like about 900 bucks. The AC condenser right there doesn't look broken, but it's bent. That one's about 600 bucks. That little tab thing situation that you got going over there to hold all that stuff, that's another $1,200.
And Iconis wheels for free.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna do the Iconis wheels in this car. I gotta send one of these off to have them measured because I actually want to make a replica of this wheel with a 5-lug pattern, because everybody loves the STO look, but no one can really get the STO style. I'm probably gonna go with the spokes. I like the spokes, you know, kind of like the SLS over here. Like that style, right, is what I want to put for this car here. So basically, that's the new car reveal, guys. Mario, thoughts?
I think it's great. I think personally, I think you're gonna fix it and then you're gonna probably end up selling it.
Yeah.
I don't think you're gonna do the whole 2000 gated horsepower thing. Just past experiences. But I'd love for you to get it done. Notice how Houston prepped you guys before he said he was gonna do the gated 2000. He said that he's gonna possibly sell it because if it goes missing, you know. Because he told you this time.
Okay, I mean, I want to sell a lot of cars. Money equals restaurants. Restaurants equal more money, and more money equals more money, okay? So it's really great. And then more money equals more cars eventually. And I really want a LaFerrari, but I like this car. I do. I actually have been wanting to do this for a long time. So yeah, we're gonna keep this one for a little while. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna get it done. And then we're gonna mod it, right? I've got this crazy billet motor that I built for a different car that's gonna go in this car.
Shout out to the Dobre brothers for hooking you up.
Yeah, Darius, he got me all set up on this one. I like the Dobre brothers. You know, we've done videos in the past, back in the day, when I had that red Veyron, and they've always been real cool kids. So sad to see this happen, but we made a fair deal, and I'm happy to have it. So, you know, maybe this could be my new rally car. A lot more comfortable than my Koenigsegg. So.
So what do you guys think of the STO? Pretty sweet, right? Honestly, I haven't been this excited for a car in a really long time, and I haven't really decided what plan I'm gonna go with on the gearbox, but I can tell you that this car is gonna have a few thousand horsepower. It's gonna sound like a very high-pitched, I don't wanna say the word F1 because F1s are like really, really high-pitched, but it's gonna sound kind of like Aventador Murcielago style, right? It's gonna be the dopest project I've done in a long time. Now I've got these hypercars that are super sweet. You know, when you build something special and you take it all apart, it's like starting from the ashes, right? And so symbolically, we were just out there messing around with another video for Houston's Hot Chicken, and there was a flamethrower there for some reason, and I was like, hey, you know, we should light the front of this car on fire because it's gonna become something new.
Oh, the car's on fire. Oh, shit. Not a good idea.
I thought it'd be cool symbolically to burn what we have and to build something special and something new. And so that's the birth of the new Houston project. The project's been in the works for years. I mean, this power plant I've been talking about for 4.5 years now. But I actually have good news. It runs. And it drives, and it goes, and it sounds phenomenal. On its first dyno run, it made 2,029 horsepower. So pretty stoked. I think you guys should really like this project. This one we're gonna film as is. You know, I'm not gonna wait to have it all done and then go. I'm just gonna start filming it as we build it. The car should be pretty sick. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel because you're gonna not wanna miss this one.